Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn standard 9th English medium subject science chapter number 9, force and the law of motion. So in last lecture we have to prove second law of motion, F is equal to ma. So now in this lecture we have to mathematical proof of this law. So in example, important theory for exam related. So mathematical expression of second law of mathematical expression, formulation, both are same word, of second law of motion. We know that suppose object of mass m, so mass m for any object along the straight line with initial velocity u, mass m, path is straight line, assume that the initial velocity is u, and its uniform acceleration of velocity, it means final velocity, but final velocity v, but in space instead of final velocity we can used also what, uniformly acceleration, and time can be t are taken. In other words, now initial momentum and what, final momentum. So initial momentum can be taken p1, therefore m, initial velocity u, and another final momentum, it means p2, so final velocity is taken v, so p is equal to mv. Now change of momentum, because statement is this type of statement, is directly proportional to apply force. So change of momentum is proportional to, it means p2 minus p1, p2 minus p1, it means mv minus mu, m are common, v minus u is completed here. Now rate of change of momentum, rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to, it means m v minus u divided by t, because rate therefore apply time. So or apply force, rate of change of momentum, or apply force, therefore force is directly proportional to m v minus u divided by t. So we know that one, when the proportional signs are removed in physics, so equal and one constant may be applied. Always this, when any standard, any concept is similar concept for our standard, when the proportional signs are removed, so equal and one constant, so k can be assumed as a constant. So f is equal to k, this value is a, we know in standard, same standard, chapter number 8, previous chapter, v minus u divided by t, it means a, so in place of this we can put a. So f equal to k ma, when a is equal to this and k is equal to constant proportional, so value of k can be assumed 1, unit force is so chosen from the, so force can be considered as a unit force, so k is value is 1, therefore finally we get f equal to ma, finally we get f equal to a. The value of become a, when k is value of become a with, So force is considered unit force, and mass is 1 unit, and acceleration is also unit. So all can be considered as a unit force. So value of k is equal to 1. Therefore remove. So we get second law of motion mathematical formula, F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. Now, second law of motion is often seen action of everyday life. This second law of motion is used in our everyday life. So example, you can notice when the cricketer are catch the ball. So action of this hand is which type? So cricketer can be catch the ball. So here cricketer hand is this. Now ball is coming, so hand are in backward position. So which this action can be followed by cricketer. So behind reason behind this. So why this? Why cricketers are move this hand on a backward? It means backward position. So reason behind is this. The fielder increase time during, so hand are this hand to backward. So reason behind is to reduce this acceleration, reduce this velocity, and not injured his hand. So in this reason, so cricketer can be hand behind or a backward position. The acceleration of the ball is decreased, therefore impact of catching first moving ball also reduce. It means reduce to acceleration when the ball is contact with hand, so chance to injure with high fast moving ball, so hand is backward, so acceleration will be reduced and no harm, no injury are caused by the fast moving ball. So in this reason backward, it means reduce acceleration. Reason behind is this. The rate of change of momentum of ball will be large. Therefore the large force would be applied on holding catch that may hurt the palm or a palm of the fielder, because rate of change of momentum is high, therefore force high, because both have directly proportional, so reduce this moving this action. Now similar, in this situation we have to solve one example number 9.1. The constant force act on an object is 5 kg. So mass can be given by 5 kg. Duration of time, so time is equal to 2 seconds. Time is equal to 2 seconds. So time is taken 2 seconds. Object velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. So here initial velocity and final velocity are given. Initial velocity u is equal to 3 meter per second. Final velocity v is equal to 7 meter per second. Find the magnitude of the force. Now, if the force were applied for the duration 5 seconds, what is the final velocity of object? So here two questions can ask. So solve one by one. First, apply force. So F is equal to same equation this, m v minus u divided by t. Equation will be same. F is equal to ma, but we don't know value of a. Therefore, in place of a, we can written down v minus u divided by t. So using this concept, now value of f can be found. So start, apply all term. So equation will be same. F is equal to m v minus u divided by t. So one by one all value can be applied. So we get F is equal to m v minus u divided by t. Therefore m is equal to 5, v 7, these 3, time can be taken 2 seconds. So 7 minus 3 4 divided by 2 2, 5 into 2 10, so 10 Newton force. So first question answer can be completed. Now the force is applied for this force can be applied in place of 2 seconds. Here time will be taken. Force apply for t is equal to 5 seconds. Then find the final velocity. Equation will be same. So find final velocity m v minus u divided by t. So find v, therefore mv minus mu divided by t. Cross multiplication, therefore f into t is equal to mv minus mu. Right? We have to find out this m. So ft mu can be side change, therefore mu is equal to mv. So all value can be applied. So put all value in this equation and you get find answer. So f into t, f means 10, t means 5, m means 5, u means initial velocity can be taken same. So you got final answer. Value of v is equal to 30 meter per second. It means final velocity can be found. So in similar way you can solve example number 9.2 in homework. And 9.4 is also homework. So these two examples solved by homework. Thank you friends.